Hey guys, Amit here. Recently I had a very bad experience with the ROG 5 phone, so I want to share that experience with you all. I'll just cover what happened with the phone, what approach I took, and what was the response from the Asus. So let's begin. So story here, I'll just talk about backstory and get started. So I was using ROG 2 for the last one and a half year. I was very impressed with the phone ROG 2. I don't wanted to upgrade it from it. I think I was thinking I'll just use it for one more year. But ROG 5 got released couple of months back, and I was very interested in buying that phone and upgrading from ROG 2. So I did. I bought a new ROG 5 phone 2 to 3 months back. It was working so fantastically, camera, performance, and display. Of course, it's very nice. The touch response, refresh rate, it's just mesmerizing to play games in it. Until on October 16th or 17th, my phone's Wi-Fi stopped working completely. Hotspot also stopped working completely. So no matter how many times you try to switch on the Wi-Fi in phone, it will not turn on at all. So it just freezes. The button of Wi-Fi just freezes. It doesn't turn on. So there will be no way to use Wi-Fi once this problem starts happening. So once it happened, 2 to 3 days, I thought I'll try with software, factory reset, restarting the phone many times, draining the battery to 0 and again charging it 100%. So I tried many ways. If you can reset it and get that started working, but all the solutions failed. Resetting the phone didn't work. Restarted the phone many times, didn't work. Drained the battery to 0 and tried to fully recharge the phone, didn't work. So contacted Asus. I told them that this is the issue, Wi-Fi is not working. They said they again told to do all the reset and things. I told them I've already tried all the methods, guys. They suggested a visit the nearest service center. So on 20th I visited a service center called TVS Electronics, which is in Bangalore near Indranagar Damlur flyover. I told them this is the issue I am facing currently. Our Wi-Fi is not turning on, hotspot is not turning on, so please fix it. They said fine, we'll take the phone, we'll update, format the phone, reset the phone and see if it starts working. I said totally fine, try. Then one day after they tried resetting the phone from their software also, the Wi-Fi was not working at all. It was not turning on. So the next solution was basically what they said was like they have to replace the complete motherboard of the phone. It's pathetic, guys. So it's just a 3 months old phone and you have to replace a complete motherboard. This is absolute pathetic. So I saw many comments and queries regarding the same issue. Many Asus ROG 5 phone users are complaining that their phone Wi-Fi also getting stopped, it's not working. So the pattern is basically once the Wi-Fi stops working, after a couple of days the phone itself will die. So it will not turn on no matter what. So guys, if you are facing the Wi-Fi issue and it's very recent, please go to service center, give the phone. because these guys will not give the phone soon. So what ETA they gave me is nearly a month. So I gave the phone on 20th October. They are saying that the part will arrive on 19th of November, guys. So today is November 2nd while I'm recording. So still my phone is not fixed. It's been more than 11 days now. So it's brand new phone, guys, 3 months old, and I have to wait 1 month to get the new phone fixed, and I have to leave that in service center for a month. This is totally wrong, Asus. So many people in the forum and everywhere they're complaining, but Asus is not acknowledged the problem. They are not recalling any ROG phones to fix it. So they are not giving any statement, guys, like just there. So I feel that some of the batch of Asus itself has a default in it. I think I suggest Asus to look into it and replace all the phones whichever that batch has a faulty hardware. So why this problem exists? What I heard from service center was maybe whenever that service update came to the phone, it messed up with motherboard internal files while updating. So for me, the problem didn't happen right after the update, maybe after a couple of weeks or so, or maybe a month, I guess. I don't remember when I did the last update, but instantly it didn't happen, guys. Like once I updated, it started working fine. After after a month or so, this issue started. So I think this is very sad, guys. Like Asus is promoting this phone as a premium gaming phone, and it just dies in 3 months. It's not acceptable at all. Asus, please take a note and please help all the Asus ROG 5 users to get this issue fixed so very soon, because many people saying I have to wait like 2 months to get this issue fixed. Some people say even like 3 months. So in my case itself it's 1 month, but I don't know if they will fix in month. They might even delay more. So guys, while you're buying ROG 5 phone, be wise, check all the reviews, check all the comments, check for issues mainly, because this is a major issue which is happening right now. I don't suggest you to buy ROG 5 at all, guys. After just 3 months the Wi-Fi stops and you have to change the brand new phone's motherboard. It's not happening. Don't buy this phone at all, guys. I don't suggest to buy at all. I'm very upset with Asus. I'm very upset with ROG 5 phone. I don't know how to express it, but it's just pathetic, guys. So one more incident was they didn't have a standby phone to give me. The phone will be for a month, guys. We expect a standby phone. They didn't have any standby phone at the time. I emailed Asus service center, followed up after a week or so. They said, service center said, sorry, yes, now we have a phone that is Asus 5Z or something, which is 3 years old phone. I said like, no boss, you keep it. I arranged the standby phone myself. So this is how the Asus treats its premium phone users, right? So I think this issue will not be solved with software or so. So if you are having a Wi-Fi issue on ROG 5, please visit nearest service center and get that fixed, guys. Just make sure that this will not be fixed very soon, because the part needs to be delivered to service center, then they have to fix it. So make sure you have an alternative phone to use when you give this ROG Phone to service center. So Asus, please take a note, get the parts as soon as possible for mine as well as for many others who are waiting for their phone to be repaired. So I think I wanted to express what I gone through with this ROG Phone phone experience. So yes, that's it guys. So if you guys have any questions regarding the process or how to do the RMA, let me in comments. I'll help you guys with it. Signing off. Bye bye.